Sigawan nyo talaga kasi itong glasses ko dito, camera to, ipopost ko mamaya.
Hey! Someone chant!
Mahal sa buhay. Kundi si Sarah Geronimo with the
Si Bagets, no? Hello.
What's your name? Jonathan?
Jonathan!
Jonathan?
Jordan.
Jordan. Jordan.
Jordan.
Basketball.
Hi, Jordan.
Hi, Jordan. Morning. Good evening,
You're
brother.
so guwapo.
Yan. Hi, Bob.
Hi, love. Ang galing mo naman. Ang galing mo naman, love.
I always have a good time when I'm on stage with Sarah. She's the best. Is she the best? Is she the most beautiful?
Goodness gracious.
Baby,
Oh.
first off, before we say hi to everybody, you're very, very beautiful tonight.
You're very, very handsome tonight, always.
Sometimes, sa bilis ng buhay, sa bilis ng mga araw, minsan nalilimutan ko magsabi, I'm very lucky and I love you very much. And baby, let's say thank you first.
Yeah.
Can we play some romantic music, Jem? Play some romantic music when we say thank you. So, this evening, we'd like to say thank you to Jinky. Jinky,
Miss
maraming
Jinky.
salamat, Jinky.
And to Sir Ray Cantong and Miss Kay. Isa pang married couple on stage.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Kiss, 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 kiss. So, good evening, everybody. We'd like to say thank you very, very much to the City Government of Tacloban. Daghan salamat. Maraming salamat sa inyo for inviting Sarah and I this evening. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po.
Ang dami-dami nila, Bob. I know you can't see it here, but hanggang dun sa likod talaga. Kasi
Hello!
kanina nanonood ako sa Facebook Live sa drone. So, nandyan sila. So, very cool.
Sa drone.
Yeah.
Kamusta po kayo lahat dyan sa likod? Yeah!
Hindi lang dyan sa gilid, baby. Look at that.
Yun, oh.
Dyan sa mall, sa Robinsons. Dito naman, sa gilid.
Hello! At saka yung mga nakasakay sa rides.
Sa rides, nandiyan kayo. Sakit lang mabuti.
Sila yung lalabay natin pag gabi eh.
Gusto nga namin mag-ride mamaya. Ano, mag-ride tayo mamaya?
Gusto po namin magpasalamat sa ating acting city government of Tacloban under the leadership of our city mayor, Honorable Alfred S. Romualdez.
Yes, sir. Mayor, magandang gabi po.
Magandang gabi
He's
po.
right there, baby. He's right there. Thank you very much for inviting us this evening. Such an honor.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. The people of Tacloban are amazing!
Yes! We'd also like to thank Vice Mayor Honorable Raymond Romualdez.
Yes, sir. Maraming salamat, Vice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for inviting us. And I have a brother, nakalimutan ko yung cellphone ko. Anong pangalan? Nandun yung kodigo. Pasensya na. Yung mga sundalo natin ngayong gabi. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Mga kasama ko.
Kapulisan.
Kung may mga special forces, mga ranger ngayong gabi, mga reserve, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Pwede naman kayo mag-smile naman kayo. Hindi na seryoso masyado. And of course, Ashma, thank you very much. Ang ating mga kapulisan, ating mga bumbero dyan, magandang gabi.
Yeah.
Are you ready